So you're thinking about driving for Curry, and you've heard about those big payouts, but you've also heard the stories about inconsistent work. In 2025, a lot of gig apps are making big promises. But what's the reality with Curry? Let's dive into whether it is worth your time. Curry is not your typical food or passenger delivery app. It specializes in on demand delivery for the construction and industrial industry. Think of it as a logistics platform for building materials, tools, and supply. This is a very specific niche, and that has a huge impact on your work. The payouts, are they really high? The short answer is yes. The payouts can be high. Drivers report earning anywhere from $1.50 to $1.75 per mile, which is often much higher than food delivery apps. A single delivery can pay anywhere from $20 to over $500 for a long distance, multi stop trip. The key is that Curry's pay is based on the size of your vehicle and the distance. So, drivers with large vehicles like cargo vans or box trucks have a huge advantage. The big pro here is that Curry has daily payouts, which is a huge plus for managing cash flow. They also offer upfront pricing, so you know exactly what you'll make before you accept a job. Now for the downside. Because Curry's work is so specialized, the demand can be unpredictable. You might get a string of high-paying jobs in one week and then nothing for the next few days. It all depends on your location and the local construction market. If you live in a booming city with a lot of active construction, you likely have more work. In smaller, rural areas, the work can be very inconsistent. Another issue is the long wait time. Sometimes, you'll arrive at a warehouse or supply yard and the order won't be ready, which can lead to uncompensated waiting. The app also has some bugs, like notifications not sounding off, which can cause you to miss a job. So, is Curry a good gig in 2025? My verdict is that it's an excellent side gig, especially if you have a larger vehicle like a truck or a cargo van. The high payouts are real and the daily pay is a great feature. However, it is probably not a reliable full-time job due to the inconsistent work. Treat it as a great way to make some extra cash on your own terms and you won't be disappointed.